am in Houston and I am going skydiving. Yes, I'm slightly nervous. Not too much. I'm not scared or anything like that. I kind of feel like, you know, I kind of have the butterflies like I kind of feeling I had before a football game as a kid, you know? So anyways, I'll probably be scared, a little bit more scared when I'm up in the airplane and it's time to jump out. But for now, I feel pretty good. So stay tuned. Getting ready to skydive for the first time ever. We are going up in this beast right here. It doesn't look very new. Matter of fact, it looks kind of old. Probably older than me. No, I'm just kidding. I don't hope not anyways. We're gonna jump out of the airplane.
Nice.
Yeah.
We're going skydiving, huh?
Going to skydiving.
First time?
Yes, first time.
Awesome. So is there anything you want to say to friends or loved ones before we go up there and do this?
If I don't make it, I love you.
What's up, my man? How you feeling?
I feel good.
Feel
Ready?
good? Nice.
The butterfly's actually going away. It's weird. Try not to look down though too much.
Right now we're about halfway up.
Okay.
So here in a little bit we're gonna get strapped together, go jump. You got any famous last words?
Just do it.
There we go.
Okay, so I just jumped out of an airplane. Yes, I did. I'm sweating. I don't know. I don't think I'm sweating because I'm nervous. It is really hot today, but I am sweating. The whole drive here, I was so nervous. Butterflies in my stomach, never scared, just butterflies. And then as we flew up, the butterflies flew away and I felt calm and it was awesome. My favorite part was probably just leaving the airplane, like that feeling of falling or whatever. I don't know. I thought, to be honest, I was a little worried I'd be scared, but it was awesome. I'll tell you one thing though, I should not have eaten breakfast this morning. Don't eat before going skydiving.